Have you ever opened command prompt and noticed you are stuck in the wrong drive, maybe drive D or E, but you actually want to be in drive C? Don't worry, it only takes one simple command. In this video, I will show you the fastest way to switch to the C drive in command prompt, even if you are starting from a completely different drive. As you can see, right now, I'm inside my D drive, specifically in the folder called Projects. Just to confirm, we can show the files or folders inside the D drive, specifically the Projects folder, by typing dir, which stands for directory. It displays all the files and folders in the current directory you are in. After confirmation, we can switch to the C drive by typing C with semicolon and press enter. Now the prompt shows the C drive. To navigate inside a C drive, you would have to type cd and replace path2 folder with the exact path of the folder. You can do this by navigating to the folder, right-clicking it and selecting copy as path and pasting it in the command. And finally, to return to the root of drive C, type cd with a backslash. Now we are back. So no matter where you start, whether drive D, E, or even a USB drive, you can switch to C drive by just typing C with a semicolon and pressing enter.